In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate to a record in Salesforce. Salesforce is a powerful platform that allows businesses to manage customer information and a wide variety of tasks efficiently. Whether you're just getting started with Salesforce or looking to refine your skills, understanding how to navigate to a record is fundamental. Now, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Salesforce. Once you've reached the Salesforce homepage and logged in with your credentials, you'll need to direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll spot the gear icon. This icon is quite pivotal as it provides you with numerous options to customize your Salesforce environment. Once you click on the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with several options. Look for an option called Setup and give it a click. Setup is your one-stop shop for all things relating to Salesforce configuration and settings. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first due to its plethora of options, but don't worry, we're focusing on something specific today. After clicking Setup, you'll be directed to a new page. Here, you'll want to focus your attention on the Quick Find box located on the left side of your screen. It's an incredibly useful feature that allows you to easily locate the tools you need without sifting through endless menus. In the Quick Find box, type in Flows. As you type, suggestions will appear. Once you see Flows, go ahead and select it. The Flow feature is a powerful tool that lets you automate complex business processes. For the purpose of this walkthrough, we'll be choosing a specific type of flow. You'll see several options, but for our task today, we'll select Screen Flow. Screen Flow is particularly useful for creating user interactions and step-by-step wizard-style flows. Now with Screen Flow selected, it's time to add some action to your flow. You can do this by dragging or adding an action element onto the canvas. The action element is where the magic happens as it lets you perform specific tasks such as updating or creating records. Once you've added an action element, it's time to specify what action you want to take. For this tutorial, we are going to add record as our action. It's important to select this to ensure you direct Salesforce to the correct task. After choosing your action, the next step is configuring it. This means entering specifics about what record you wish to add and setting any necessary parameters to customize the action according to your needs. Once your configuration is complete, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save button located towards the top right of the screen and give it a click. Saving periodically helps prevent the loss of your progress. When you've got everything set up just the way you want it, go ahead and click Activate. This will set your flow into action, ready for use within your Salesforce environment. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated to a record using Salesforce's powerful tools. By following this simple process, you can streamline your work in Salesforce, enhancing productivity and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on mastering Salesforce.